Find the domain of the function f given by f of x equals 8 minus x over x squared plus 2x plus 1. Well, the domain of this function would be all the values of x that make this rational expression defined, which is to say, let's find the values of x that make it undefined and we'll exclude those from the domain. So what we will solve is the equation x squared plus 2x plus 1 equals 0, because that would make this denominator 0, making that function undefined. Well, notice this is a perfect square trinomial. X plus 1 squared equals 0. And now using the principle of zero products, we would simply say that x plus 1 equals 0. And subtracting 1 from each side, x equals negative 1. So the value x equals negative 1 makes the denominator 0, which makes the function undefined. That means negative 1 is not part of the domain. And so we write that answer either in set notation as the set of all x such that x is a real number where x is not equal to negative 1. Or in interval notation, from negative infinity to negative 1, union negative 1 to positive infinity.